you ready to unbox?
Yeah. This is the 56PCS connected box Montessori toys for kids. Inside the box are the following: manual, storage bag, 70 feet, color box.
This Cossy 56 pieces magnetic blocks provides endless building fun for children. These Cossy building block toys are made with high-quality ABS material with strong magnets. The rounded edges design ensures smooth feel, and it has pleasant sound when stick together. This Cossy building block toys contains 7 different magnetic blocks that ensures variety in numbers and color, allowing kids to create imaginative masterpieces that make learning lively and fun.
Green, blue, purple, pink, red, orange, yellow.
This magnetic cube has a creative manual and bag for easy storage. Kids can learn through playing, stimulating their problem-solving, social, and motor skills. This is the Cossy 56 pieces magnetic blocks. This is a great learning toy, durable, and has a strong magnet, allowing kids to create a variety of imaginative masterpieces. Includes bag for easy storage. If you're looking for an educational toy, this magnetic cube for kids is a great gift.
Thank you for